So for probably one of the most anticipated releases in the next upcoming weeks, the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagined have not shock dropped yet. This is a crazy telltale sign from Nike that things this year are going to be totally different. And this is not going to be good news for most of us sneaker enthusiasts, most of us sneakerheads. We got to talk about today's video because they're not shock dropping probably one of the most anticipated releases in February, minus the Bread 1 High 85s. It's a little bit shocking. We gotta talk about it, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. Your boy Da Vinci just did an early look over these Air Jordan 3 Lucky Shorts. So if you guys did not check that video out, man, make sure you check that link in the description. Just check the latest video. These things are really clean. I'm liking them. And some people saying they like these over the Alma Year 3s, which you do have as well. And some people even said they like these better than the UNC Air Jordan 3s because it's a lot of different perceptions or takes on certain sneakers. I do really like these, but to say they're better than UNC 3s, that's probably a little bit of a stretch, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now I need everybody to do, man, run the likes up. Every single like counts, and make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do got. This year is totally different in sneakers. Us not getting shock drops, us getting, limited stock on certain sneakers. It's gonna be different. The content's gonna be different. We gotta talk about different topics, so make sure you hit the notification bell so you miss out on any of those videos. All right, man, so before we get into today's video, I did wanna unbox something really quick. Something that I impulsively bought. Like, I even hit them up and I was like, yo, I do not really want these shoes. They said it's too late, all sales are final. So I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and unbox and talk to you guys. Try to minimize your impulsive buys, man. I've been doing really good with that lately, but some just told me to buy these. And it was like, I'm talking about 15 minutes after I purchased them, I said, yo, why did I do that? It happens like that, man, especially if you just always grew up liking something. And in particular, sneakers for us, it's kind of hard to break that, that little funk, man. But let's go ahead and get into the box. Hold on, y'all. This one here really tight. Shouts out to them for the packaging. And yeah, let's go ahead and peel it out of the bag. And you guys can see, man, shouts out to Bravest Studios. It's super dope packaging, I'm not gonna lie. I might actually keep it just for the presentation. It was only like $100, so it ain't about the price. It's just about the impulsive, nature of us humans, man. But you guys can see we got the size down there, size 10 foot clog. And if you don't know what it is about a box, you guys should see it is the Hulk joints. And let me see how you get inside the box, bro. Thought this was super cool to unbox with you guys. I said, you know what? Why not? And look at that, bro. Look at that. The presentation is super solid. I'm not gonna lie, man. So see if we can get in there. And yes, sir, man. Here we have them, bro. The Hulk Smash foot clogs, and they smell funny. If you guys got a pair of these, they smell really funny. But I did pick up these Hulk foot clogs from Bravest Studios. I have these. I have a couple other of slides from Bravest Studios as well. I love the creativity that they do. They don't, charge you over the head, with prices. I thought these are really cool. I always grew up a Hulk fan, and I thought it was pretty cool to rock around the crib with these Bravest Studios. But $100, house shoes is a little bit steep, man. Go ahead and check out the packaging and stuff like that. We're not gonna talk about these too much because I know you guys are really interested in seeing what we're gonna talk about these Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. All right, guys, so the release is in a couple of days, literally a week from today. Today is Saturday. I think nothing really is dropping. There's not a lot dropping besides, of course, we got the black toes ones, which we'll be doing a full review on feet coming very soon. So make sure you type into that. And of course, the Bread High 85s along with these black metallics. And we do not have a shock drop. Now, I have seen it before where Nike does do like an exclusive access during the week of the drop. But in terms of a shock drop from Nike, they usually always do it at least well ahead of a week prior to that drop. And it's looking like it's not happening for these Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics. We've seen it different with the Bread 4 Reimagined. We've seen it different for the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined the white cements. And I just thought that we would see a shock drop with another reimagined sneaker. They shock dropped everything else, so why not do it for these? that's what kind of tells us that Nike is not playing. The rumors or the news that we got about them cutting down the stock, it is really true. It has to be, bro, because why wouldn't they shock drop a mass produced Air Jordan 5 black, metallic? It don't make sense. It don't sound right, and it's not looking good in terms of grabbing these joints for retail either. I do think that these will probably stay high. I think it's probably stay high, like high 280, 290. You might even see some sizes going in the $300 price range. I am still, a little happy I got my size now from 2016, but I need a fresh pair, bro. The white piping, the reflective on the Nike on the back, everything about these joints is reimagined, and I do love the new outlook they did throw on these black metallics. So I definitely need them in the collection, and I'm gonna try my best to have them on the release date. The pair that you guys have been seeing me show you guys, I got a bunch of B-roll of those. That was a pair that I did get, was a size 12, so of course can throw it on feet. But when the release date does come, they going straight to the toe. I've been having fun rocking these. Wore them a couple times to the gym. That new buck, of course, is gonna crease and stuff like that. But in terms of the colorway, the significance, this is probably top 3 all time in terms of Air Jordan 5 colorways. That's just my take. But I don't know why Nike is not doing shock drops anymore. I do not understand. We ain't seen one all year. Not for the black cats, not for the black metallics. And it'll be crazy to see if they twist it up and do one for the black toes. Now that would be really, really crazy because, usually when you got a shoe that's not getting a lot of love prior to the release, they might do a shock drop for that same reason. And for the black toe ones, you guys seen the trend has been going down lately for those because they're prioritizing other releases like the black metallics, like the Bread 1 High 85s, and a couple other sneakers coming out this year that people, prioritize stuff. Everybody ain't copping shoes every day, and I've been pushing that to you guys, bro. You do not have to buy every single drop. It's cool to just look at them on YouTube, look at them online. You don't gotta have them in a collection to collect dust. I'm not doing that no more. I've been, harping on you guys to pick and grab what you like. You do not have to get everything, bro. We gotta get to a point where we know we don't have to make impulsive buys. I know it sounds crazy because I just bought these foot clogs, you know what I'm saying? I know it sounds crazy because I just made an impulsive buy, but listen to your boy, the Vintage, bro. Listen to your boy. We're minimizing impulse buys this year. We buying what we like. We forgetting the hype. And if it is hype, you want to pay that tag on it, hey, by all means, grab them joints, man. But yeah, guys, February the 8th, the black metallic reimagined will be releasing. Of course, I gotta have a pair, so you guys should see something closer to the release date. Full review on feet and stuff like that will be dropping for you guys, so stick around, stay tuned, and let me know your thoughts and opinions about this new direction from Nike. I'm a little bit confused, I'm a little bit lost, but again, with time comes change, and Nike ain't playing no games with us in 2025, man. I love you guys. Sub up to the channel, run the likes up, man, and with all this being said, your boy, The Vintage, gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.